Hey guys, my name's Steven. This is my 2019 Ford Ranger. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of testing on it. So it currently has a CR Performance Stage 4 Turbo. Right now we're currently running full E85 and it's tuned by Adam at ZFG Racing. Basically the purpose of today is to test out bolt-on parts. So we feel like we're running into a restriction on the intake side and the exhaust side, so we have all the parts to fix that. Right now we're just going to baseline with the big turbo. We haven't been on the dyno with the big turbo. The dyno stock, it did 262 horsepower, 332 torque. Full E85 stock turbo, it did 357 horsepower, 361 foot-pounds of torque. A lot of people complain that the torque's a little bit low. We did that on intentionally for testing. So far with the big turbo, the CR Performance turbo, all we've done is street tuning. So this is gonna be the first time we've had it on the dyno. We're gonna log it, see if there needs any tweaks. My guess is once we start doing some bolt-ons, we're gonna run out of injector or fuel pump, probably injector first. So we have some 91 octane on standby to kind of cut it down from E85, probably down to E50 just for consistency of mixing. So kind of the order of the mods that we're gonna do. SPD downpipe, full exhaust. That's gonna be first. We're gonna do basically before and after. So maximize this tune. We'll do the downpipe, the exhaust, see how that does. Maximize that tune. Then we're gonna do the intercooler pipes. Same thing before and after, and then the intake before and after. So let's get started. Yep. Perfecto.